why you are not yet successful at Forex trading. Why are you always failing at Forex trading? Why are you not yet a profitable Forex trader? So what's up YouTube, it's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So if you are a new viewer or if it's for your first time seeing this channel, hit the subscribe button for your boy, hit the like button, share the video, comment down below. So if you are an old subscriber, thanks for coming back and I appreciate you for coming back. So now without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So why you are not yet a profitable Forex trader? There are many reasons why we are not yet profitable at Forex. Okay, one of those reasons is number one, you don't have a strategy. You do not have a proven strategy that is consistently making you money. You don't have a strategy that you can rely on and say, this is the only strategy that I will use, and you backtest that strategy, you stick to that strategy, you don't move around looking for other strategy, you only focus on that certain strategy that you are interested in or that you want. Okay, let me say, if you are an SMC trader, or if you are a supply and demand trader, or if you are a support and resistance trader, stick to this strategy, backtest that strategy, and just to check how profitable is that strategy, how many percentage does it has. Many of you are just switching strategies. Today you trade SMC, tomorrow you trade supply and demand, tomorrow and the next day you trade chart patterns, and the next morning you trade support and resistance. How are you supposed to be profitable if you are if you are always moving from one strategy to another strategy? How are you going to be profitable? And other thing, you never backtest just to check how profitable is that strategy. You need to choose one strategy, backtest that strategy until you are making money. Test that strategy on a demo. Don't go on live yet. Just test the strategy on demo and check how profitable are you. How many percentage is that strategy? How many winning percentage is that strategy? You can see that one within your results that you are when you are backtesting or when you are testing out that strategy on demo, and you count now the winning rate, the winning percentage of that strategy. So that is number one. Now let's move to you do not have. The other thing is you do not have a trading plan. What is a trading plan? A trading plan is a set of rules that you are following when taking trades. There are rules that you are following when you are taking trades, when you are in trades, when you are taking profits. There should be rules that you are following, and those rules, they are included in your trading plan. Do you journal your trades? Where do you journal your trades? Many of you don't journal your trades. Let me say like 80% of traders, they never journal their trades. In years to come, you are going to look back and check, okay, how profitable was your strategy when you started? Where are you going to check? Nowhere to check because you never journal your trades. Guys, journaling is very important, guys. Having a trading plan is very important. Backtesting your strategy is very important. Testing it on a demo before you go on live is very important. Once you see that, okay, now your strategy is profitable, that is when many of you just started Forex. You heard from someone talking about Forex, okay, and then you deposit your $500 or maybe $50 and then you jump in the market. How are you supposed to be profitable like that? Within something that you started yesterday. You just started it yesterday and then you are already trading live money. Honestly, that is impossible, guys. It is impossible. You can only be profitable when you follow the rules of your trading plan. So if you don't know what is a trading plan, there are many videos explaining what is a trading plan. I will also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that the next time when I post a new video about trading plan, you will be notified, guys. You must journal your trades. I have a video about journaling trades on Notion. Go to my channel and check it out. If you don't understand, you ask questions in the comment sections, guys. And the next thing is, you are not patient, guys. You are not patient. You want to be rich overnight. You want to be rich overnight. Let me tell you something. Trading, forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. Trading is a process. It takes years. Some it takes more than 2 years. Some it takes more than 5 years. Some it takes more than 5 years. Some it takes even more than 15 years. And you just jump in the market today and then tomorrow you are expecting to be rich. Or after 1 year you are already saying you want to quit trading because you are not profitable. You are seeing the reality of forex when you get into the trading industry. When you start trading, that is when you see that, okay, now trading is not for me. Stop, guys. It's a process. You have to understand. You have to go through stages. Stage 1 up to 5 or 10. You start from 10 up to 1. You cannot start from 10. You cannot start from 1 up to, you cannot start from 1. You have to start and you have to go through certain stages for you to be profitable at forex. Many of you are switching strategies every day. Today you are trading support and resistance. You are jumping from this strategy to this strategy just because today you took a loss. It does not work like that. Focus on that one strategy, backtest it, find out how it works, and then you apply it on a demo just to test it. And then later on, when you see that, okay, it's profitable, that is when you can go live. I do not suggest a forex beginner to trade live, guys. Most of the people that are advising you to go live, to trade live money while you are at the beginning of your career as a trader, they are wrong. They are wrong. You start on a demo, and then once you see that, okay, you are at the second stage, that is when you can start trading live money. Stop listening to too many people. You guys, you do not, and the other thing is, you do not have mentors. Today, or maybe you have 5 mentors now. How can you have 5 mentors that are trading different strategies? They are telling you different things. They have different plans, trading plans. They have different ideas. Focus on one mentor. Focus on one strategy. Backtest that strategy and go out of your zone and look for more ideas about that certain strategies. That certain strategy that you are interested in. As I said, guys, forex is something that can take many years. It is not something that you can start today and then tomorrow you are already profitable. That one is a beginner's luck. That is what we call beginner's luck. If you start today and you are already making money, that one is just your luck. Trade for a year, then trading will show you the reality of forex trading, guys. Be in the market for a year, then you can come back to me and tell me that this is the reality of forex trading. It is something that takes winning and losing. It's a process. You have to go through that process step by step until you are profitable. You have to start at the bottom until you go to the top. You cannot start at the top. Trading works. Last but not least, guys, before I go to the last one, hit the like button for your boy. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share the video. Comment down below. So let's go to number 5. Last but not least, you are chasing the lifestyles that you see on social media. Instead of you putting in the work, being on the charts every day, you taking, let me say, like 1 hour of your day just to backtest, just to be on the charts to see what is happening there. You are on social media chasing, watching videos of people that are showing off cars, showing off nice shoes, showing off watches, expensive watches, showing off expensive bottles of alcohol, showing off apartments, nice apartments. Bruh, let me tell you one thing. Most of the traders, most of those people that are showing off those things, they are not actually trading. They are influencers. They are selling you a dream. They are selling you a lifestyle. Stop watching those things. Focus on your journey, on your own journey. Focus on your own strategy. Craft your own Master your own craft. You, instead of you now focusing on the strategy, your trading strategy, you are consistently, you are always scrolling down, checking other people on Instagram. Those people that are showing off flashy things, guys, on social media. Instead of you focusing on the work, you are focusing on the lifestyle. Guys, focus on the work and then the lifestyle will come later. And the other thing is, again, before I finish, guys, trading, don't just, when you see that, okay, don't trade money that you do not have. Guys, as you can see, me, I've been in the trading industry for 4 years now, and I've made many mistakes. So I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to inform you about those mistakes so that you can avoid them. I went through those mistakes and I've learned a lot. That's why I'm sharing you this content. I'm sharing you these ideas. I've taken loans of money that I do not have just to put in and ended up losing that money later and putting my life in a problem. You see, my financial life in problem, guys. Trade the money that you have. What I suggest is to save. You save while you are trying out your strategy, while you are backtesting your strategy. On the other side, you are saving. And when you are ready, that is when now you can take part of your savings and you start trading. That is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified when I post a new video, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.